tilted with earth is, आप tilted with what is है ना, और आप सब जानते हो, everyone knows that earth is what, revolving around the sun. It is a very basic, लेकिन इस basics में आप like कभी you never given one consideration that one more basics आपने कभी नहीं ध्यान दिया, you have never given the what is a consideration to that basic. पिक्चर है कि नहीं, चलो इसमें नहीं है. I said that one basics you have never given importance that कि अर्थ, अब मुझे आप बताना कि मैं सही कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं. This is earth and I am a sun and it has to revolve in 12 months and again it has to come back over there. So if I am making it to revolve 3 months में आ गया 1 quarter and then another 3 months में another quarter means 6 months में half and then another quarter in the next 3 months 9 months and another quarter in the next 3 months. Any fault in this? Raise your hand. Any fault in this? Yeah? Tiltation? क्या मुझे tiltation क्या करना है? ओके. चीज़ क्या था कि ये टिल्टेशन जो है ये हमेशा किधर होना चाहिए? कांस्टेंट. टिल्टेशन शुड बी कांस्टेंट. तो ये जो झुकाव है, दिस टिल्टेशन शुड बी ऑलवेज लाइक दिस. और आप यदि देख रहे होंगे कि मैं हमेशा अब टिल्टेशन सन की ओर रख रहे हैं. हम लोग किधर रख रहे हैं? सो टिल्टेशन एवरी मिनट चेंजिंग, यस और नॉट, बट आई हैव टू मेक इट कांस्टेंट, यस और नॉट. टिल्टेशन शुड बी, आई सेड टिल्टेशन शुड बी कांस्टेंट. मुझे हमेशा ही टिल्टेशन किधर रखना है? दिस साइड. अंडरस्टूड? ऑलवेज आई हैव टू मेक द टिल्टेशन. दिस आइडिया इज ओके. ये बहुत बेसिक है. आप देख रहे हो कि ये टिल्टेशन किधर है, चाहे उधर हो चाहे इधर हो, सन के चारों तरफ. तो टिल्टेशन शुड, इट इज ऑलवेज व्हाट? सेम. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ suppose I said that earth is not tilted and it is means, and I am, my eyes are like in a sun rays, my eyes are like in a sun rays, so earth is not tilted. It means my sun rays are falling on the equator. Sun rays are falling on equator. And after 3 months I said that I came here and then again the tiltation is no 0 degree tiltation. Then now the sun rays, even it is falling at equator. Now I said that after 3 months again the sun rays are what? Falling at equator, perpendicularly at equator. And then after 3 months again the sun rays are falling at equator after 3 months. And then again after 3 months the sun rays are falling at, understood? Why? Only falling at 0 degree latitude because the tiltation is 0. But I said that now the earth is tilted with 40 degree latitude. So ये tiltation with respect to vertical, with respect to, तो ये 40 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड है. ध्यान से देखते चलेंगे. 0 1 2 3 4 10 12 15 20 30 40 40 degree. My sun rays are falling in the 40 degree north latitude, yes or not? Where the sun rays are falling? 40 degree north latitude. And this is the month of June. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे 21st March, 21st June, याद होगा? क्योंकि जनरली बच्चों को यहाँ पे बहुत दिक्कत होता है 21 मार्च 21 जून, उसके बाद आई सेड 22 सितंबर 22 दिसंबर, व्हाट आई सेड 22 सितंबर 22 दिसंबर, understood? Which are the dates I said? 21st June, 22nd September, 22nd December. Sometimes after few years it becomes 23rd September. तो इसीलिए कभी कभी आपके दिमाग में पकड़ नहीं पाते हो कि it is what. So 21st, March and June, and then September and December, 22nd. Understood? So I said that now the sun is in the northern hemisphere and it is in a 21st June, and the sun rays are falling at 40° north latitude. Yes or no? And then earth is rotating and my sun rays are falling at what? 40° north latitude. Now I said 21st June के बाद क्या आएगा? 22nd September, and then sun rays are falling at what? Equator. Yes or not? Sun rays falling at equator, and after 22nd September it will come what? 22nd December, and sun rays are falling at 40° south latitude, and thereafter I said that 22nd December to 21st March the sun rays are falling at equator. Yes or not? September and March, and thereafter 21st June sun rays are falling at 40° north. Understood? The reason behind that, one, it is in a revolution, another it is in a constant tiltation, and that is of 40°. Therefore मेरा northern limit of falling sun rays सबसे ज़्यादा perpendicular किधर fall कर रहा था? ध्यान से 40° north. अब जैसे जैसे दूर होते जा रहा है धीरे धीरे 40, 35, 20, then it is coming over there and then 0° latitude. Yes or not? The sun shift हो रहा है किधर? Sun rays falling perpendicularly shifting towards equator. So the sun is moving or earth is moving. कोई भी ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो रहा है. It is an apparent shift. Then sun is shifting towards south. Yes or not? After 21st June towards what is in a September, shifting towards south only because of tiltation, constant tiltation and revolution of earth around the sun. क्योंकि जनरली बच्चे जो है ना घर में देखते हैं, अच्छा सर ने तो बता दिया था 40°, ओके, ये क्या हो चुका, अभी भी ये नॉर्थ में ही फॉल कर रहा है, क्या था सर ने क्या किया था, कुछ जादू किया था क्या? तो ये वो उनको ये नहीं आइडिया रहता है ना कि वो दे आर चेंजिंग द ऑलवेज टिल्टेशन डायरेक्शन. सो नाउ इट रीच टू व्हाट? इक्वेटर. 3 months में धीरे धीरे सन रेज स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग एट इक्वेटर परपेंडिकुलरली. मैं फॉलिंग का मतलब है परपेंडिकुलरली फॉलिंग, एंड देन नाउ from the 22nd September towards what is in a 22nd December it started falling at what is in a 40° south latitude slowly and slowly, and then now 20 आपने देखा कि I said that from the 21st June to 22nd September the sun rays started what is in a coming towards equator, southward movement, and from the 22nd September toward December slowly and slowly sun comes over this, and this is known as what? Southward movement of sun. And then पंडित इसी को बोलते हैं कि अभी sun क्या है? दक्षिणायन है. Sun is moving southward. तो कभी पंचांग में आप देखेंगे पंडितों को बोलते हैं sun का दक्षिणायन. And then now 22nd December and then 40°, and then I said that slowly and slowly I said from the 22nd December towards 21st March slowly and slowly sun rays started falling at, so it is moving northward. Yes or not? It keeps on moving, the sun rays is falling at equator now, and now I said that slowly and slowly till, so 22nd December to 21st March and then 21st June sun is what? Northward. Understood? समझ में आ गया? I said that what is the northern limit of the sun? Northern limit of the sun is 40° north. यदि sun earth is tilted with 40°, and then southern limit of falling vertically is 40° south, तो इसको बोलते हैं tropics. It is known as what? But actually earth is tilted with 23.5°, and if it is tilted with 23 and 0° है 10, 20, 23.5,